Hi guys, this is Bhupinder. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to extend your C drive so that you would have more space. As you can see in my C drive, I don't have much space left. It's just 1 GB almost. And I keep getting the warning message notification that I don't have enough space. And as you can see, this is red and these other ones are green. So what I want to do today is to kind of remove all the information from E drive to put somewhere else, which I've already done. I copied all the information. You also please copy all your information from the drive that you want to merge or use to extend your C drive to. Please do that prior starting this process. And then once you've done that, then you go to that drive and then right click and then click format. So please be aware that this will wipe out all your information in that drive, and I don't take any responsibility for that. All the information can get lost once forever, so please take a backup of it, save it a couple of times to other drives. Once you've done that, there's this quick format option that's available. I untick that. I don't care if it will take more time. And then if you start the button, then it would delete whatever is there in your E drive. So I start. Obviously it gives a warning. So okay. As you can see now, the E drive is formatted after restarting the PC. So after the format is finished, then click on the start and just type disk management. And then this thing comes up, create and format hard disk drive. Just enter. Then it would be trying to connect to the virtual disk service. So select E, not E, I mean the one that you want to kind of use it for the extension. Then you can try right clicking on it, shrink volume. So total volume to shrink is 96877. So that's what we will select and click shrink. So as you can see, after shrinking it, the E drive, there is still 3 GBs that is there and is not allocated as a free space. So then we have to select the drive and then click on the cross button, and then it gives us this warning. Deleting this volume would erase all data on it. Backing up any data you want to keep before deleting. Do you want to continue? So it's very important to make sure you back up all the data in that drive that you're deleting now. Otherwise it will go once forever. So remember doing that. I can emphasize that. Then after you're sure that it's gone, then you delete it, and that 3 GB is added to that shrink space. So now we got a total of 97.66 GBs free space. You need to go to your browser and type in mini tool partition wizard. Click enter, and this partition wizard.com should appear. Click on it, then click on download, and then save it somewhere. Yes, download should be very quick. It's 72.2 megabytes. Once the download is complete, just click on it or run it if you're running Edge. Okay, accept, obviously read, and if you're happy, then accept. Then click next, click next, click next, click next, and install. Click finish. Here is the tool. click launch. If you click on C drive and click extend, as you can see, it takes everything into account as compared to here it says free space but doesn't let us to extend. So get rid of this disk management thing and we would be able to now extend it by 98 GB, whichever this unallocated space is. Then click OK and then click apply. So you save all your information and everything, so that if anything goes wrong, you know that you have a backup. Then click yes. Please choose one of the following options. Restart your PC and the menu will automatically finish the rest of the pending job. Choose close other programs and try. So because I had the other programs there, I have to close and then retry. Okay. After you have clicked on the restart, the partition wizard would run and it will start to process the extension of your C drive. As you can see, resize partition is increasing, 46% now. After restarting the PC, you can see now we got 55.6 GB free, and that E drive is kind of combined with the C drive. Perfect, so it worked. So if I go to disk management, that unallocated or free space is disappeared and is part of this now, and I can even extend it even further by clicking on this. Next, click next, click finish. So now we got 245 GB. So if I refresh this, so we got 245 GB free. How great is that? So this is a trick, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and it solved your problem and it was very useful to you guys, and I hope to see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Bye.